How's it going, YouTube? Spec Auto is back with another video today. Didn't think I was going to be doing anything with this car again anytime soon, but here we are. So anyway, you see my car is slightly taken apart here. Taillight is in here. Well, I have a little bit of minor repairs I want to do to this trunk. As you can see, there's a little bit of rust starting to form along the lip here and right there. It's hard to focus it, but anyway. And then there's this big spot that was right under the taillight here. I've looked at it and determined it's just surface rust, so that's the good news. As well as the rust under here. I was going to try to patch things up with it and try to fix it. I'm also kind of debating on just repainting everything. I don't know yet. I think the trunk is alright enough, so I might leave the trunk, but I might do touch-ups on little spots here and there that I fix. But I really want to just repaint this wing because this wing is just awful. So I got some brand new paint sitting over there on my shelf, and of course I got some sandpaper and other things with me as well. So I guess we can go ahead and see what we can do about this rust and this peeled up paint. So for those who are wondering, you know, how we get to the rear tail light here, mind you, this is the JDM rear end, so this is going to be for the Asian trunk lid for the Asian market. So it's going to be different than the USDM trunk that we all know and love here in the US. But anyway, to get to it, you just have to pop out a few of these plastic tabs, and you'll pull this cover down a little bit, and then up in here you'll find one bolt hole, two more bolt holes here. And then in there you'll find another bolt hole up there. So there will be a total of 4 bolts holding this light assembly in. You'll just take this out, take this out, take this out, or not this, sorry. You'll be taking this out, you'll be taking that out, and then you'll be taking that out too. So there's those 4 holes, as you can see on the light assembly here. The 4 bolts that you take out, and here's the assembly itself. And yeah, you just make sure you unplug it, take it out. And the crazy thing is, the rubber for this taillight is like practically melted onto the trunk. Like, what? So I'm kind of confused about what I'm going to be able to do about this. Probably nothing. So, oh well, I suppose. But, we're gonna do a quick, simple thing. We're not gonna be, like, doing a professional repair, so don't expect professionalism from this video. This is, almost a 300,000 mile car. It's gonna have rust, dings, scratches, paint fade. So I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking to remedy the rust before holes, form into the actual metal structure. So, we're just going to keep it simple today. So what we're going to be using is obviously our spray paint and other things we need to keep the surfaces clean before we repaint it. But to get the rust and some of the old metal off of there, I'm just going to use a simple drill and wire brush just to kind of knock that surface rust off, and then we'll be able to clean the surface, cover the desired area so we don't get overspray on everything, of course. And we're just going to do a quick patch it up, and yeah, so we'll see how that works out. Alright guys, now before you guys start shitting your diapers and telling me, "This shit masked that all up," don't worry about it. Like I said earlier, it's a 300,000 mile car. It has flaws all over the fucking thing, so it doesn't really matter that much. And any overspray I go on my back window, whoop de fucking do. I'll take some paint thinner and some other necessary steps to just kind of wipe the stuff off. So, whoa, it's not the end of the world. Like I said, this isn't a professional video. This isn't a professional body shop. It's just some random guy in a garage with some spray paint and some sanding paper. I mean, what more do you guys expect? Anyway, hope you're enjoying the video. It's on to the next part now. Well, here it is. It's all done now. Is it perfect? Hell no, it's not perfect. Is there flaws? Hell yeah, there's flaws. But you remember how it looked before with all those big white chips and stuff on there? This is a lot better. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better. And you'll kind of see what I mean. When we go around the car, you'll see that there's flaws everywhere. There's scratches, dings, dents, rust, faded paint, clear coat damage. It's a 300,000 mile car, guys. I don't know what else to say. If it was like a low mileage, you know, a low mileage example that's in like mint condition, then I would definitely take a lot more care in making sure it's done right. But I mean, everything else is already not perfect on it, so why be a perfectionist on something that's not perfect? So we come up in here, got that redone, so that's better. Got along the edge is good, all along the inside of the trunk lid, that's good. Again, not perfect, but I wasn't seeking out perfection. I was just seeking out to fix the rust that was starting to form and to make the wing look a little bit better. And yeah, I know some of you guys might get offended about not making it done right, not masking everything, which, you know, it's whatever. You know, I used paint thinner on my back window, got all the crap off of it. I used paint thinner on the emblem is okay. And lately I've been thinking about doing one of two things anyway. I've been thinking about either taking this wing off altogether, maybe putting something else on eventually. And I've also been thinking about just taking the whole JDM rear end off and putting the original USDM parts back on and just giving it the original look on the rear again. I don't know yet. Not sure. Because I mean, even as this sits, I could sell this JDM conversion kit for several $100s. It's worth good money. You know, if somebody else doesn't like how the paint and stuff's done, well, guess what? They can repaint it. They can do whatever they want with it. As a matter of fact, I can show you guys over here. I still have the original trunk right here. If you guys look, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, this is the original USDM trunk from this car. So I still have the original trunk, and I still have, where are they? Oh, they're in that Civic parts tote. But I got the original taillights, so I mean I got the OEM rear end still. I've been debating on putting that back on. I don't know yet. Because I mean I spent a lot of money getting this conversion done and I like it. But you know how I am, I like to switch things up every once in a while, and this stuff's already been on the car for over 2 years. It's not perfect, but I mean it looks good enough, it looks presentable enough to me, so whatever. Still get compliments on her. She's good, she's been reliable, solid, a real trooper for sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends and family, and as usual, hit the bell icon to get notified of each video uploaded in the future. Till next time, stay safe out there. See you later.
When you're revving hard, then you're living fast, and we'll take this ride. We'll forever last, when your ears are loud.